Hello, my name is John Moore. During this year's DevSummit, I will talk to you guys about vehicle cybersecurity and understanding how ARM PSA and PSA certification can help all OEMs come together to manage compliance. So if part of this session, I think what you'll gain is first an understanding what vehicle root of trust might look like. You'll learn how it relates to compliance management, and you'll understand how ARMed PSA and the tools that it offers can help develop and move the industry towards some type of standardization of what trusted architecture could look like. If this interests you, feel free to click the link below.